afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Dr. John Belkowitz. I'm the Director of R&D at Intelligent Concrete. We specialize in making concrete do the impossible. This November, we are hosting a social media extravaganza. It's not true.
Yeah.
Oh, it is. It is true. It's a social media training workshop. It's an awesome interactive workshop where we're going to be teaching you the whole kit and caboodle of logging into your first account to posting and how to gain traction using social media for the concrete and construction industry. It's going to be November 13th, 9 to 12 p.m. Seats are limited, and we're going to have donuts. Go nuts for donuts! We're also going to have folks present to walk around while we're giving the seminar, the workshop. So there's going to be plenty of folks going around to help you out if you get stuck. And if you've ever had any questions about how to get a recurring revenue stream using social media in the concrete construction industry, this is the best place to be. We're going to be hosting this at the American Concrete Paving Association Colorado-Wyoming chapter in Centennial, Colorado. Stay tuned for more details or click the link below. Thanks for your time. Don't forget to sign up. It's limited.